Hey guys, my name is Dennis, and I'm gonna be going over the list properties. And yeah, so making a list in the web, you try improving making a list by using design. So I remember before, so this is my moment before since I made a HTML in a basic way. So yeah, so you could use designs and stuff, you know, and this one is a good one. So list property is a property in CSS that's used in designing a list in a HTML website. So it's actually used in a CSS form instead of like an HTML form. So yeah, so this is the properties if you need to. This is the types. This specifies the type of the list. That's actually called the list type. So the position itself, it's specifying the intention of the list, and the image actually has to do with setting it as a bullet. So if you have that type of unique image in there, you could do that, and we're gonna do that later on in a few moments. So this is the list type actually. So yeah, so this is the list type. So if there's no list design, this is what it looks like on the other side. And the unordered list, there's three things that you have to say in here, which is the disk, circle, the square. Square is this one. It's just only half, I mean like shaded off, and yeah. So and going back here, it's gonna be ordered list, and there's a couple of values in there where you could use in here. And yeah, so this is what it looks like. One, two, leading zero, and you could just play around on it, and if you want to. And by the way, this thing requires a Chrome on PC and Mozilla Firefox, just only for PC by the way, not on tablets, not on phones. And yeah, so this is the position, going to the position, and this is the outside, and this is the inside. See, you notice this thing is going to the right inner. So if you click the inside button, and it's going to the right, because the reason why is because you have to do that in order for them to highlight stuff that was important. And this is what I'm talking about. This image. This is the image that you need to use. This is what the URL would look like in there. And yeah, so this is what it looks like. And yeah, so actually there's a CSS code for that. So you probably need to work on this thing. So this is actually what this code looks like. List type and column and list style position. So don't forget to put list position in there and indent type. The reason why they need to put this column on this thing is because it's not gonna activate everything in there. Doesn't matter whether regardless and everything in there. That's why. And that's the list style URL. And please put URL and the image URL and semicolon, I guess. Not comma, my bad. And that would be it. Sounds good.